For most of us, going to have our cars repaired is a stressful situation. What if they overcharge me or tell me I need something that I really don't? Well, I'm here to tell you you can stop worrying as long as you come to Precision Auto Repair in downtown Springfield. I'm here with James, the owner here at Precision Auto Repair. James, thanks so much for being on the show.
Thanks for coming.
What would you say to our viewers at home sets you apart?
Well, quality and customer service. Nothing worse than going somewhere not being able to speak to somebody, having to press 1 or 2 to speak to somebody. Every time you call, you come in, you get a friendly face that you recognize.
James, what would you say is important for people to consider when they're looking for somebody to repair their car?
Well, reputation. Reputation is huge. I don't go anywhere unless I hear that somebody's done good. If I need lawn sprinklers, I find out somebody else that's used somebody. So obviously word of mouth and reputation, and online is a great place to find somebody's reputation.
One of the other things that makes Precision Auto Repair so unique is they actually offer a 2-year guarantee on their work. Can you tell us more about that, James?
Yeah, sure. We stand behind all of our work, all of our repairs for 2 years, 24,000 miles, whichever comes first. And the reason we do that is because we want you to feel confident coming in here and confident with the repair that you're having performed on your vehicle. I wouldn't go anywhere unless somebody was going to stand behind our work, and we find that 2 years, 24,000 miles is actually a year or so ahead of our competition, a year or so longer than our competition, and we feel pretty comfortable with being able to provide a warranty like that. So we would hope that people feel comfortable coming in because we provide a service like that.
James, summer is fast approaching and gas prices are starting to creep up on all of us. What can everybody at home do to maximize the efficiency of gas they're getting in their car?
The easiest thing is, one, just watch how you drive. You don't need to be racing up to every stoplight, racing up to the bumper of the guy in front of you. What we find is that statistically, if you watch not just the car in front of you, but maybe 2, 3 cars ahead of you and see what they're doing, and then kind of monitor your speed according, gonna give you the best result.
Okay.
The next thing is that cruise control is huge. Cruise control on the highway, about 65, your car is going to be most efficient. Next thing is tire pressure, even tire pressure, and I can show you shortly how to check your own tire pressure.
Yeah, I need to know how to do that.
Yeah, absolutely, most people do. And then just proper maintenance of your vehicle. A properly maintained vehicle will operate miles ahead of a vehicle that's not.
On your website, you actually debunk a few myths about having your car serviced. Can you tell us a little bit about why you do that and what some of those myths are?
Well, it's funny because people call up and they ask all these questions that I find funny. I mean, the only stupid question is the one not asked.
Right.
The most commonly asked questions we put up on our website and kind of debunk the myth. If their brake light on the dash is on, the little red light, if they fill up their brake fluid, will that light just go off? It's true, yeah, the light will go off, but unfortunately what happens is that brake system's a sealed system. So as that brake fluid is wearing down, that's an indication that the pads are actually wearing down. So when that light comes on, it's an indicator that you're going to need to have those brakes checked.
That
so
actually happened to me last
Did it really?
year, yeah.
Yeah, so just by filling up that brake fluid, you can actually create more of an issue where it's possible that the brake repair might be a little bit cheaper now. If you're replacing that, or just topping off that fluid, you might have an issue where the pads would grind down into the rotor and cost you a little bit more to have them replaced. Good rule to follow is any lights come on in the dash, call somebody, have them check it out. It'll save you a lot of money in the long run.
So no matter if you need a light bulb or a whole engine replaced, make sure you come here to Precision Auto Repair in downtown Springfield.